Hello, good evening, guys. My name is Pawan Chauhan. Currently, I am tell you about the lesson two of the Rich Dad and Poor Dad book. The lesson two name is Why Teach Financial Literacy. So start. So start the lessons. Money without financial intelligence, its money soon gone. More money will often not solve problem. Intelligence solve problem and produce money. Finance intelligence is not how much money you make, it's how much money you keep and for how many generations you keep it. If you want to be rich, you need to be financially literate. Financial literate in words as well as number. How to make money. If you want to be rich in long, accounting is most important subject. If you want to be rich in long term, financial literate. What you do with money once you make it, how to keep it people from taking it from you, how to keep it longer, and how to make that money work hard for you. Rich people acquire asset, poor and middle class acquire liability, and that they think are asset. It is very important to understand relationship between balance sheet and income statement. Balance sheet include asset and liability. Asset means money put in your pocket, and liability is take money out of your pocket. Cash flow tells the story of how a person handle his or her money. Higher income called higher taxes that are called bracket creep. Japanese were aware of three power. First is sword, second is jewel, and third is mirror. Sword, power of weapon that are military, so powerful in US. Second is jewel, power of money. Third, mirror, that are most important out of three. Power of mirror is power of self knowledge. Ask themselves before doing any task. Does this make sense? And they trust in their inner wisdom. If this not make sense, they let it go. We all need to look in mirror and be true to our inner wisdom rather than our fears. Not gone along with crowd, did own thinking, that is inner wisdom. Financially educated is better than book smart. An intelligent person hire people who hire more intelligent sorry an intelligent person hire people who are more intelligent than he is. School that designed to produce good employees, not an employers, it means business owners. The more we know about power of money, more distant we grew from crowd. Owing your own mind is better than sorry owing your own home is better than nothing. But when I want to buy bigger house, I first buy asset that will generate cash flow to pay for house. Rat race. Rat race is expensive match his income, never allowing him enough left over to invest in asset. As a result, his liability is greater than asset. Scorecard. Without financial statement, you don't really know about where are you in life financial game. Like it or not, money tells score of your game and financial statement is your scorecard. Read that dedicated to investing and minimizing liability. So the question is why rich get richer? The answer is the rich person invest in asset column that generate more than enough income to cover expenses with balance. reinvested into asset column continue to grow and income it produce grow with asset continue to grow and therefore income it produce grow with it. Result is that rich get richer. Most important rule is to know the difference between asset and liability. Asset means what? Asset means put money in your pocket and liability is take money out of your pocket. Once you understand the difference between asset and liability, concentrate your effort on buying income generating asset. That best way to get started. That is best way to get started on a path to becoming rich. Keep doing that. Your asset column grow. Keep liability and expenses down. So more money you, so more money is available to continue pouring into asset column. Investment investment that may have return of 100% to infinity. Investment is not risky. Those who financially literate. If you do what masses do, you work for company, government and bank. Once you have decided to concentrate on minding your own business, focusing your effort on acquiring asset instead of bigger paycheck. How do you set your goal? It is important. Wealth wealth means person ability to survive so many number of day forward. Or if I stop working today, how long would I survive? Wealth measure cash flow from asset column compared to expense column. If I want to increase my expenses, first I must increase my cash flow. To maintain this level of wealth, it means financial free अथवा financially independent. Goal is to access cash flow from my asset. Excess cash flow from my asset reinvested into asset column. More money that goes into my asset column, more cash flow grow. I keep expenses less than cash flow from this asset column. Asset grow richer with more and more income from sources other than my physical labor. Thank you guys for this. Thank you guys for this.